What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are at Josh's house today, and something really interesting that just happened is yesterday when we came down to Josh's house, there was like 5 cops on the road where we come down to get to his house, and on the way back home there was like 2 people that got pulled over. So this morning when we drove down, there was 2 cops pulled over on the right hand side of the road. They actually pulled over in R35s. Once we got about halfway down, I noticed a cop that was, it almost looked like he was just hiding in the trees off to the side of the road. I passed him and I said fuck, because I was going like 60 miles per hour and it's a 45 there. And for those of you who don't know, we'll get more into it, but Nestor actually lowered his car. So he's rubbing really bad in the back, so I didn't think much of it. I didn't text him or warn him or anything. He was behind me. And a couple minutes later, he actually sent me and Josh a snap, and he got pulled over. So we're waiting for him right now. See what happened. Are you still with the cop? Are you coming? Alright then. This is heavy. Damn, Daniel? What you got there? It's heavy. What you got there? More car parts. What happened?
Nothing.
Did he give you a ticket?
Yeah.
How much?
115.
Oh, that's not bad. What did he clock you at?
68 and a 55.
Oh, no wonder. That's why you didn't pull me over then.
What? Wait, how much?
Because I was going 60, but I thought it was a 45.
I was next to a Tacoma dude, and we're going the same speed. Once I hit the corner, I was like, oh dude, it's either him or me.
He was like in the woods, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw him, dude.
It was either him or me, and then he pulled me over.
What did he say?
Like, alright, I clock you in at 68 and a 55 or 50. I'm gonna put you as 5 over.
So
5 over?
60 and a 55?
No, it's 50, so he put me as 55.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
So posted 50, actual 68, and then cited 55.
You were almost going 70?
He's lucky though, because he's gotten his tickets in Nevada.
Yeah.
And they're like a quarter of the amount in California. I got posted for the 5 over. My 5 over is like 250. And yours is only 115. That's not bad.
That's stretched.
That's funny. He actually commented on his stretch.
He gave me a Bridgestone booklet.
So what we're gonna be doing today is the same exact thing that we did on Nestor's car last time. Sorry, it's a little windy outside. That's why we're working in the garage. But you guys remember last video, Nestor got these headlights on his car, and Josh actually ordered them at the same time, and his are here now. So we're gonna be installing them on his. I think they're gonna make a bigger difference on Josh's car because he's going from a chrome housing on his stock headlights to a black housing now.
Wait, which is like
These are way too fat for those clips. Is there smaller ones up here? What do you mean?
Oh wait.
Just put on the rams. Just kidding, no. Hey, go get your headlights.
Get your headlights.
Are we gonna drill them inside? I need an outlet.
Huh?
I need an outlet. Are we gonna drill it?
Yeah. Somewhere out here. You don't have one out here?
Oh yeah. Why?
What? They're the same exact ones that Nestor got in his car, just for this model. But look, I told them that since you have like chrome housing and you're going to black,
Yeah.
it's gonna be like more of a change than to Nestor's. Because Nestor already had black housing.
I hate the chrome.
Yeah.
That's one thing I hella hate about my car.
It's off.
Hella ugly. Yeah, you called your car ugly.
He did call my car
Trying
ugly.
to copy Daniel. I saw your long lost brother on the road.
Who?
When we were on the highway, no bumper.
The Honda?
Yeah. You saw it too? Yeah.
Dude, he said it was gonna be ready on Monday, and it's now Thursday, and my bumper's still not done.
Oh look, this is come out. What's that?
They would have more screws on these new ones. You just gotta unclip that one. The gray one.
Hey, what is this one here?
Huh?
What is this?
Oh, so if you, like I told him, if you unplug the gray one,
I already did.
it's still stuck?
But what's that?
Yeah, that's what I don't get. So we got both the headlights out. They're a little trickier than Nestor's because these newer models have more screws and then they have like a bunch of tabs that hold wires together, but we got them out. Now we're gonna switch over the HID kit from this set of headlights, move them over to the new ones. So another thing we forgot to mention, same as Nestor's, you wanna get rid of this bracket on the stock ones and throw it onto the aftermarket ones. And then we also gotta drill that hole right here, just like we did to Nestor's. That way we can fit the HIDs. Just took it in.
So there's like no point for us doing that now.
Yeah.
So yeah. Can I just...
So what we did, guys, is we drilled that hole that Nestor had to drill on his headlights, but when we went to install his HIDs from his old headlights to these, they actually didn't fit because those are H11s.
Yeah.
And these are H7s.
H7.
So those didn't fit, so what we did is we went and bought an LED bulb instead, and we actually didn't need to drill that hole. Those are gonna look good though. They're like way brighter than HIDs. We got that one on the car already. That one's already tested, but just with the regular bulb. We still gotta slip the LED in there. Dude, these are looking sick.
No, Josh, it's broken.
Dude, that looks so sick. So we got both headlights on. We're gonna now throw the bumper on. Does it go over? Yeah.
That was it, dude.
That's it.
That was it, Josh.
Does this go out or inside the fender liner?
Which one? It goes in.
It goes like this.
The fender liner goes in?
Yeah.
Do that. Looks good.
Oh, wait, I mean.
Oh, that was cool.
What?
It does it.
Let me see. Damn, that shit looks hella sexy. It was way better than the chrome.
Ooh. Let me go up close. Go low beam? Oh, you can't really see, but
Go heavy. Go turn signals.
yeah. Give me high beam. Oh, hella. Dude, these are so bright, you can't even like get them on camera. You have to go like super close. See, to get it, to get to see.
Oh, that looks sick.
So, like you guys saw in that last shot, when he puts his e-brake down, it actually turns on like a daytime running light. I know a lot of, or Subarus come like that, OEM, but Nestor said you can actually remove that, so you take off a wire.
You unplug the wire underneath the glove box.
For the e-brake, right? Yeah. So, I don't know if you might want to do that, or maybe get some LED high beams. That way it doesn't look as bad. Because I don't like that yellow.
Yeah, me neither. What you guys think? I know it's a little hard to see now that it's dark, but I like it a lot better. I can. Pretty stoked. What do you guys think?
It looks good, dude.
It looks brighter.
It's so much brighter too. Like on the. It looks good.
But thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button. Don't forget to